Hello class, this is Mr. Steigerwald. I want to talk to you about some compositions that are going to be on the final. Here's an example number one. We want triangle JKL, which has the following vertices, J, K, and L. We're going to translate along the vectors -6, 2, and then translate it again along the vectors 3, 1. So what we're doing is the composition of translations. We're going to translate this triangle twice. So we're going to take each point here. I want to put my cursor on 11. I'm going to take that point and I'm going to move it. Now we see up here, let me get a pen here. We see that we want to translate it along that vector. So I'm going to put my cursor on the point L, and I'm going to move that point -6, so I'm going to move it 6 spaces to the left, and then 2 units up. So I'll click on the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 2, 1, 2. And I'm going to call this L prime. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the J and the K. So with the J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 units up, 1, 2, and that is going to be my J prime. I'll do the same thing with the K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 2, and that's going to be K prime. I'll go ahead and connect the sides. So what we have done right there, we have translated our triangle JLK. I'll see how they had in example one up there. JKL, I just translate it along the vector -6, 2. I took each point and moved it 6 points to the left, 6 units to the left, and 2 units up. Now I'm going to take the triangle J prime, K prime, L prime, and I'm going to translate that along the vector 3, 1. So this right here. So I'm going to take each point and move it 3 units to the right and 1 up. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 1 up. Now I got to call this L double prime because I have to distinguish it from the other triangles. I'll take the K, move it 1, 2, 3 units, and then 1 unit up. That is going to be my K double prime. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my J prime. 1, 2, 3 units to the right, and 1 unit up. And I'm going to call that my J double prime. Then of course, let's connect the sides. And there we go. I have translated my original figure, triangle JKL, to J double prime, K double prime, L double prime. And let me show you that notation where we can do this in one single move. And it'll look something like this. And the notation's up here in the green. Our XY got translated to the, looks like the order pair of x minus 3, comma, y plus 3. So how did we find that? I'm going to put my cursor on the L, and to get to the L double prime, we went 1, 2, 3 units to the left, and 1, 2, 3 units up. We do the same thing for the K. We go over 1, 2, 3 units to the left, 1, 2, 3 units up. And the J, 1, 2, 3 units to the left, and 3 units up. With the 3 units to the left, that's how we get the x minus 3, and the 3 units up is the y plus 3. Another way we could have wrote this was how the way that they did it in the example problem here with -3, comma 3 with these this type of parentheses. But this is the way that we want you to write it, like on the exam. All right. Have a good weekend. See you next week. Bye.